Welcome to this tutorial on how to create and manage games on the ERP system. Proper game management helps organize gaming activities, maintain accurate game records, and improve operational efficiency within the platform. In this session, you will learn how to create, configure, and manage games effectively within the system. Let's get started. Scroll down and click on Game Zone, or search for Game Zone using the search bar. Click Games to navigate to the game management area. On the right, click the Create button to start the process of adding a new game to the platform. Start off by filling in the name of the game right inside the name text field. Use the genre field to specify and assign the appropriate genre category for the game within the system. Set the game release. Enter the game's description to add more details about the game. Set the game's price by clicking on the Price text input field. Set game status to either active or inactive to mark the game as available or unavailable. Set the total number of player to define the maximum number of players. Use the game category field to assign the appropriate category to the game zone for proper organization and management within the system. Once all the required game details have been entered, click the Create button to finalize and add the new game to the platform. You can review the newly created game details, modify or delete the game by clicking these icons respectively. And that's a wrap on creating and managing games on the ERP system. You've just learned how to create, configure, and manage game records to support smooth gaming operations and better organization within the platform. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.